My name is Steph Sunley, and I am an offshore logistics supervisor. Green armbands are used to indicate a passenger who has not been to that particular offshore installation before or hasn't been there for a period of time. For us it's 6 months, but it varies between different operators. We use the Vantage system to identify who should be issued with a green armband for each flight. Green armbands aren't seated next to the main exit on the helicopter, so that they are not the first person to exit the helicopter onto an installation they haven't been to before, but can follow the lead from someone more familiar with the routing and layout. The green armband policy is similar to the green hat policy in that it helps identify someone who is unfamiliar with the site so that others can look out for them and help if necessary.